Sini okra rok tongbayo belai khatong tho khatong thungma tongo ebali aksi bodolot tongo pakhawo tongo sini brui choba khwlai sengkrak jogrok ei sigla rok ungklo kabang ma tongo borok nirok sini future sini thinang nirok sini phan nirok sini bebak ni bebak sengkini oro kok salai jaknai salai thangke kok kabang ma salai manai habana sengkini kok kabang sawani ang thangya tomake bukhawo kokborok khwlai ang tengno kini basal more than 4 decades have elapsed that the people of this land, the indigenous people of this land have been struggling and asking and demanding for Roman script and the kokborok. Some 4 decades, more than 40 years in life hangka, choba khwlai ang tini kacha no sini siklar ni thanimo kok sawi ang message rot musogo. There is an intention there. Sini all the sini all zatino sokomorona ni bangoy sini mungno sokomorona ni bangoy sini kokno sokomorona ni bangoy or nio belai kotor mas horjontro tongo omosun belai ke clear omo kok sakage paksamane political message political speech ni nai but it automatically comes in my mind jotni bakhawo phaiom. If we look at the history, Canada wa kabang indigenous people extinct ka kamai thangka borne identity krikha borne kok krikha Australia wa kabang arni original bororo kamai thangka borne kok krikha borne sulbung kri ni bangai borne identity kri ni bangai. New Zealand is the same, Sri Lanka is the same, kabang subcontinent ro omo hai klauna origin indigenous people original people rokni kamai thangmani sengmo extinct man nogom. Reason being borok ni identity pila sukmanai the majority borok je ruler hi tone rok intellectual group tone rok borok ni instinct borok ni intention omono motha sikong borok sikong do fasikano sokomori nani rule khlainani omongka instinct omongka history proofs khlaio ani siklaro nirok ni thani okona sana musago. The time has come for you and for me. Sini auto fano kabang ma bororo thui thangbai jakha o hawok rikha sini hawok rikha ang samane 5 decades almost 50 years amno soba khaimani emani homale tabok roya khor tabok sing maya khor omani bangai no sini omo haijorawo Roman script for kokborok choba hi sing bisni sikang amo form khlaika joto 56 constituent body by khaja khlaibenai omono sing tebe ma rak saronai tebe ma amono yak ma pholok lainai tani homale angrok na tinimo sengkra khninai sanai tani homale sirina hormang Roman script for kokborok choba only sengkra can move forward. Sengkra sing joto sengkra o ha sakao sing sarbai khaina yaunga ke sing sengkra sing toyar ma khalainai ang thaisingo khoroksa sini not east channel ni English channel nang mono saka. Now it is zero tolerance. This generation will not tolerate anymore. Omohai exploitation sing table sing sabi tong sinai. What is the harms of giving recognition of writing kokborok in Roman script? Tamangini khoteng nai ba omo khaima thaile kono bangla horof ni kono kisi sa aঘাত দেন নাই বাংলা সমাজের কোন আঘাত দিয়ে আসবে এই দেশে প্রশ্ন তঙ্গ. But the things is that I run reference samani history. That was the intention. Borogno extinct khlaiwinai sinia khlaiwinai identity sokmurinai o hani bororo minority khlaiwinai sokmur pareno omono intention. That is the political or communal intention. Nothing else. But now we are united. Sungma basa sinai. Nungma sab horidas ani kogno bangla bai lekte hobe. আপনি কে আপনার অধিকার নাই যারা এখানে বাসিন্দা অরিজিন indigenous people they should be given the right to choose what scripts they like what scripts they are going to write. আপনি কে আপনি কোন ব্যক্তি আপনার কোনো অধিকার নাই আপনি যত বড় পুজ হল করতে পারেন বর্তমানে Nah, it is a kind of exploitation to the aborigine and indigenous people of this land. We will not keep silent anymore. Ang kok sa paronay, Roman skipper kokborok soban na hormon belai ke kotor. Dini osim omoni simulation sainai, soto subdivision level, block level, district level, state level sang kokborok no sak. Nang recognition Roman skipper recognition na sak, sang soba khainai, soba ni central ro. Omo sang sawan ni musubo. Bekapa teone nayo, anu boyos bang sareng salah. Slogan romang roi paika. Taba mo roi tongko, maro nai. Sos basani bangai kebang ma thui ro kap. Sini hawasam thui ro kapal sumtak thui ro nai. We are ready to shed blood for the sake of preservation of our kokborok. We will not leave any stone unturned. Almost isang samusogo. Bisa selai siklaro, mirok sini ungklo ko matongnai. Mirok ni bangai sisung seti klai mani klai wom. Terusakna sini osoba ayu blok tung ambai.